Feel that? Survive. She moves like rhythm, got a body of its own. Every step poetry written in a tone. Cello cries soft while the drums and roll. I'm caught in the wave, can't leave it alone. Eyes tell stories words never could frame. Energy rare, can't measure her name. She don't chase light, she generate flame. Now the whole room bend when she changed the lane. Oh, no pressure, just motion. We floating, no commotion. Every touch like ocean. Pull me deeper in, I'm no. You survive, don't fight it. Let the rhythm inside you ignite. No rush, just ride how you like it. When we move like this, can't deny. You survive, just feel it. Every step got a truth, don't conceal it. From the look that I reveal it. You survive. I don't chase, I align with the frequency. Every move sings perfect with the energy. Cello strings stretch time like infinity. Why they drum not map out the chemistry. She a paradox, calm but electric. Soft spoken but the presence kinetic. Every glance like a code encrypted. I decode it slow, every move precise intention. Balance in the way she should away. Grace in the rhythm she demonstrate. I don't speak much, I articulate. Through the motion we orchestrate. No tension, just flowing. We know it, not showing. Every second golden. Let the moment keep going. You survive, don't fight. Let the rhythm inside you ignite. No rush, just ride how you like it. When we move like this, can't deny. You survive, just feel it. Every step out of truth, don't conceal it. From the low to the high, we reveal it. So slow it down. Feel the sound. Cello sweet, what words won't say. Heartbeat, drum lead the way. No control, just soul. Let it take you where you go. You survive, we inside it. Every move got a pose, can't hide it. From the floor to the sky, we ride it. Every moment alive, we define it. You survive, no ceiling. Every touch got a truth, we revealing. From the rhythm to the soul, we seal it. You survive.